Hey guys, I know you're super excited because we just finished those aggregate functions and we get to move on to something new. So now we're going to be talking about comparison functions. I know what you're thinking. Yeah, I'm thinking that too. But it's okay because we're almost done with functions and these ones are actually pretty cool. Basically, these will compare multiple values, either rows or given values that you submit into the function. So some of these are greatest and least. Here's two of them. That should be capital, but who cares? What these will do is, let's say you give it a value 63, 42, 11. It's going to give you either the greatest one or the least one. And it doesn't have to be in this order. It can be like 11, 63. So if you have a list of values and you know which one's the greatest, you can submit it within a greatest function. And you can find multiple uses for this, but basically it's just used to compare multiple values. You can also use this for string values, such if we have the string bat, and then we have the letter C. It's going to put this one first, I think, because B comes before C. So we can use these for strings, and it just depends on the letters within the string and how they compare them. Here's a function. What you can do with this is you can put a bunch of values in there or anything like that, and what it will do is it will return the first non-null value. The reason for this is if you need for example, you need a specific amount of data, you don't want to have the null values, you can put them within this and it will ignore this. So if you need like 6 and you put in 6 values, it can get rid of, and if you need 6 values, you can use this to get rid of all the extra null crap and so on. So there's a lot of uses for this. But basically it's going to give you back the non-null value that comes first, and you can use this multiple times. There's also another function, in. I think I talked about this a little bit before. In, like this. So basically, we can say if a value is within this set. So if it is, it'll return true. If it's not, it'll return false. That is very similar to the comparison operator, just in, which we put at the end of a select statement. What this will do is it will test a given value within a function, and if it is null, it will return 0. My dogs never stop barking. If it's not null, it'll return 1. For example, I can test something within this, say is, for a bank system, we can say Caleb's money, this is just an example, money, versus that one chick, Delilah, you know, that chick you ate at that restaurant, Delilah, I don't know how to spell that, money. So what this can do is I could say Caleb's money is greater than Delilah's money. There's a greater than sign, which is a comparison operator. Now we're into comparison functions. Now, if it is true, it'll return 1. If it's false, it returns 0. So this is just a stupid example, but you can use this to compare entries in your database or just data that you need to compare yourself. We can actually write if null, so if. This is not a comparison function, this is a control flow function as it is called. This will basically test things and do things based on the test results. I will be getting into some more of these in the next videos, but for this example, it can be like this. We can give it a value here, and if it's null, it'll do this. So we can say like 4 is greater than 5, and then here I can say subscribe to my YouTube channel. YouTube channel. I don't know why I said channel. So I can say if null, 4 is greater than 5, which will return 0 because that's false, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes! That's just a stupid example, I'm sorry. But yeah, there's a couple more of these I'll be speaking of in the next video. So if you like if statements and garbage, I will see you in the next video. So subscribe, and I did it again. Die, die, bang, bang, bang. So yeah, okay. No more hand of it. Please subscribe, like this video, and I will see you in the next one. My name is Caleb, and thank you for watching.